Hello fans, welcome to my channel African Natural Food Therapy. In this channel we teach you how to live healthy by preparing a healthy meal without artificial spices. So today we are going to prepare garden egg leaf salad. So here we have our ingredients. Here we have opaka, oil bean seed, okay? Now crayfish. Crayfish, you have to remove all the dirt, sort it out, remove all the dirt, make sure it is neat and healthy for consumption, okay? Yeah. Onions is one of the ingredients that makes it spicy. Let's go into the preparation proper. This is garden egg leaf. You have to cut it out from the stem. Cut it out from the stem one after the other. Garden egg leaf is a very nutritional food that we don't know. It helps to reduce blood pressure. It improves liver and kidney functions. Make sure you wash it so thoroughly to wash out the dirt and make it hygienic for consumption. Garden egg leaf aids in dietary fiber, potassium. It is a source of vitamin and mineral. It boosts immune system. Okay, traditionally it treats toothache and snake bites. So you see, it has a wonderful nutritional value that you cannot do without. Here I'm slicing the garden egg leaf to my taste. So whenever you want to prepare yours, you slice it to your taste. Anyhow you want it done, you make it. You slice it to your taste. Okay. Yeah, you slice your onions after you must have finished the garden egg leaf. You slice your onions into it. Add it into the garden egg leaf. Alright? Okay. Here is my crayfish. I'm washing it thoroughly. I'm washing out the dirt. After picking out the dirt, you wash it to make sure it doesn't retain any form of sand. Okay, make sure it doesn't retain sand. Then you add it to your bowl where you sliced your garden egg leaf, your onions. Then you add your crayfish to it. Then mix them in a bowl. Get a bowl and mix them. Add all of them together. Okay, so you see it. You see what I'm having here. See the picture of what I'm having here. I've added my garden egg leaf. I've added my onions. Now I'm adding my crayfish to the bowl. I hope you are seeing it very well. Make sure you prepare this for your healthy living. Okay, make sure you prepare it. Now I'm adding my opaka, my African oil bean seed. This is what I'm adding now. My African oil bean seed, opaka. You add it to your already mixed garden egg, onions, crayfish. Then now you add your opaka to it to make it more nutritional, okay, to make it more spicy. Remember, we don't add anything artificial. We don't add anything, I repeat, we don't add anything artificial to our meals in this channel. Bear that in mind. That is our goal. We want to live a healthy life. Anybody, any of my fans watching me, viewing me, make sure you prepare your meals without artificial spices, okay? You will see how you keep glowing. I give you 3 months. I give you 3 months of practicing my meal recipe. You will see how you will glow. You see how your skin will flourish. You will live long. You will live healthy. Okay? So that is our aim in this channel. Bear that in mind. No artificial ingredients. So after adding your African oil bean seed, you now add oil. You add your red oil. Okay, add your red oil to it to make it more spicy, more nutritious. You can see the red oil. You can see the African oil beans to it. You see everything. Okay, so now you have to do what? You stir. You have to stir everything together. Have to stir everything together. Continue stirring it to make sure everything comes together. Okay, so that you have a wonderful meal. As you can see, I'm stirring my food, my salad, my delicious salad. Okay, without artificial ingredients. No artificial ingredients. So here is my salad, ready to be consumed. Okay, so my salad is ready. I can't wait to eat it. I can't wait to have my natural meal. No artificial spice, nothing, only natural. Can you see that? Can you see my meal? Can you see my garden egg leaf salad? Is it not delicious? So delicious, with wonderful nutritional value. Okay, so here I am enjoying my meal. I am enjoying my meal. Yummy. So yummy. So yummy. I would love you to try this. And drop your comments on the comment section. Once you prepare this meal, come to my comment section and drop I have prepared mine. Okay? And wash yourself, glow like baby. Okay, so see you in my next video. Love you.